Well, from refreshing drinks to snacks you can grab on the go, we've got products made in the USA in honor of July. Almost didn't come out right. The 4th of July, which is on Friday. And lifestyle advisor Don McCarthy is here to show us all of the amazing products. So
yeah, we've got food for the 4th of July, drinks, we've got mocktails, cocktails, and even a game that I think we're going to play at the end. So first up, from Califia Farms, this is an LA-based company. Actually, both two companies are LA-based right here. This is their new line of refreshers, and they taste like vacation in a bottle to me. They've got flavors like Strawberry Creme, Lime Colada, which he's looking at right now, and Piña Colada. Again, the strawberry is my favorite. You can get these at Target, Albertsons, Ralph's, and right now at select Costco stores, they've got a 2-pack of this Strawberry Creme, which is delicious. Tell me what you think. It's dairy-free, made with real fruit juice.
It is good.
It's got a splash of coconut cream, which I absolutely love. And again, you can just enjoy this as Amy did over ice. You can do this frozen. You can make a nice mocktail, or I personally love just putting them in my shakes.
And you call it Califia?
Califia. Exactly.
I always thought it was Califia. No, I've been saying it wrong all along.
Califia, like California.
Califia. Okay.
So this is Archer Jerky, and this is the official meat snack of the LA Dodgers.
Oh, okay.
So for all our Dodger fans, this is the home to LA. Again, this is LA-based. This is all natural, grass-fed, finished meat snacks. And they've got these little snacks, and they've got turkey and beef. They did, I know you were grabbing the mango habanero beef jerky. Yeah, these are the minis. And what's really nice are these are perfect for on the go. They have they're about 45 to 50 calories each. There's no sugar, 4 to 5 grams of protein in them. And again, these are great for like traveling, you're out and about. I know you care about the protein, making sure you get it so you don't choose something bad. These little sticks are really easy. You can get them on Amazon, Instacart, nationwide retailers, or at a concession stand when you're at an LA Dodger game. This turkey too, by the way, is so delicious. I have to tell you, if you haven't tried turkey jerky, try that. Next, I was just at the International Beauty and Spa show, and everything this year is about hair and scalp. So this is Keranique, and this is their volumizing follicle strengthening shampoo and conditioner.
Does a whole lot.
That's a whole lot, and it's infused with their keratin amino complex. But this is anybody that's struggling with like hair thinning. You know, a lot of people are losing a lot of their hair. A lot of people are taking GLP-1s, and all kinds of things are happening right now, or just even shedding. You know, a lot of that. So this is great for fine, fragile hair, for fuller looking locks. Again, Keranique is dedicated to the accessibility of hair care solutions throughout your journey, throughout your lifetime, which I really love about them. And again, it's a go-to. This is a great shampoo and conditioner. This is a go-to for me that I'm really loving because I have thin, fine hair. Next, this is like Hollywood hello. This is a blockbuster in every bottle. This is like they say, every story deserves a whiskey and every whiskey deserves a story. This is the Moonlight Mayhem 2, the White Port Wolf, and basically Filmland Spirits is an American-made bourbons and ryes and stories that you can actually drink. So they actually look like B-movie posters. And again, I really love that about them. They're delicious. They've got a full immersed package in them, so it's something really different to give to people. And they're complete with, like, as you can see down there, they've got monsters and robots. Again, it's just, I love this. It's a story behind it. People that are whiskey drinkers really want something that's fun and different, and this is it. And again, this is LA-based also right here, Filmland Spirits. Check them out.
Makes a great gift, too.
Makes a
especially
great
for Hollywood
Yes, because now if you want a cocktail for the holidays. And next, we're going to bring in Paul and Amy. We're going to have a little context here for a little contest with Matt Shot. And this is the brainchild of Dan Sullivan and Alex Posada. And this is an easy, portable game.
I'm already second place by the color.
So what I want you guys to do, Matt Shot, is Amy will have you go first.
Amy
and
first.
Paul, you're going to do 4 balls, Amy. We gave you an extra just in case. So you're going to shoot them into this board here. That's okay. Y'all takes a little
Feeling
bit.
better?
So you want to be about 12 feet.
Wait, I got to line up a little bit.
Your kids are really good at basketball, so I'm not.
Oh, man.
You can do
I got to get better at this.
You can do teams.
Oh, my gosh. Okay.
You can do 4 teams with 2 players each. Again, you can play this at the beach, the backyard.
Oh, my
look
goodness.
at you. Were getting close there.
Sorry, Amy, one bonus.
Paul,
one more bonus.
One more bonus. And Paul, you're not going to have a hard time matching.
There it is. I hope we got that.
So unlike what we just saw, the goal is to get it in the hole.
Get it in the hole. Get it in any of the holes that you can get. And this is made of marine plywood, so it won't rot out in the rain.
Means.
Again, you just want to match
Come
your
on,
boards.
Okay.
These
I'm seeing
boards
gold
are
and silver here.
lightweight. They can be customized, as you saw.
Bang,
the
we're
red,
tied
white, and blue.
2-2.
Now you've
This is for the
got to
win.
make your own shots because now you've matched hers to see what score you're really going to
This is
get.
for the win right here. Walk away.
Walk
Good
away,
try,
all right.
good try.
No.
Here,
walk
Amy,
away.
here's another one for you.
Oh,
Yeah,
gosh.
you
Here
go,
we
Amy,
here we
you go, Amy.
Let's go. Let's see if we can get this in here.
Oh,
Yeah.
This can be played at bars and barbecue. And as you can see, it's so fun. You don't need a ton of space.
2, but you win. You got 3, you got 5, I got 4.
It can be customized, so if you're looking for
I've got
that
more left.
special gift for someone, exactly, you can throw it
Nice
over
job,
here.
Amy.
Good job, parents of the kids. I don't. Wait.
Oh, almost
Let's-
a leaner.
let's
Does
try
a leaner
to-
count for
There
dogs?
you go.
Oh, okay.
Are we gonna bocce rules?
Okay.
So
Nice
that's
job.
something
Nice
for
job, Amy.
everyone for the 4th of July, all made in the USA and stuff that's really fun. You guys
Yes,
did good.
yes. We won't have to talk about who won. And of course, you can find more information about Don McCarthy and all of the products that you've just seen by going to our website, kcomnews.com, and click Seen